Welcome to Product Critique, where we explore the best products to enhance your style and creativity. Today, we have something that's perfect for anyone who loves adding a personal touch to their clothes. Introducing the Graffiti Bare Iron-On Transfers by FUKIDOG. If you're searching for the best heat press designs to elevate your streetwear game, this is the product you've been waiting for. The Graffiti Bare transfers are made from high-quality vinyl, ensuring that your designs will last. This material is not only durable but also vibrant, bringing your clothing to life with bright and striking colors that won't fade. These transfers are designed with a unique urban cartoon animal style, perfect for anyone looking to add some street art flair to their wardrobe. Whether you're into customizing t-shirts, bags, or even other fabric types like cotton and polyester blends, these iron-on patches are versatile enough to work with almost anything. Using the Graffiti Bare transfers couldn't be easier. Simply heat and press the design onto your chosen fabric. Within minutes, you'll have a stylish, custom piece ready to wear. These transfers adhere firmly to your clothes and maintain their original look even after repeated washes. So you can trust that your design will stay vibrant for a long time, no matter how many times you wear it. What makes these transfers stand out even more is how easy it is to apply them. There's no hassle. Just heat them up and press them onto your fabric for an effortless design upgrade. It's perfect for those who love to personalize their clothes with minimal effort but maximum impact. So, if you're looking for a quick, reliable way to transform your streetwear and make it truly your own, the Graffiti Bare Iron-On transfers are the perfect choice. Don't miss out on this opportunity to elevate your fashion game. Grab yours today and show off your unique style with pride. Thanks for tuning into Product Critique. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more amazing reviews on products that help you stand out.